Hey YouTube! Welcome to another episode of Full Jam Reviews. I am Beanbag and this is the Anyway, enough of that. Alright, I have another Blair's Death Rain chip review for you. These ones are the jalapeno cheddar, cauldron cooked potato chips, medium hot. I don't expect these to be hot, I expect these to be quite tasty. Doesn't really have an odour. Chip. Oh. Straight away cheese. They're just cheese chips with a bit of chili on them. They are really nice. Yum. Rate those very high. They're probably top of the three different ones they make. Top of my list. So yeah, Blair's Death Rain jalapeno cheddar cauldron cooked potato chips. Get on them. Love them. Anyway, if you like this video, make sure you subscribe and you like the video, and then you'll know when we put up another video. And I'll see you later. Bye.